Hi guys, Hypno here, and today I would like to do a little unboxing of my TOZO earphones NC2 this time. So yeah, let's get to it. As usual, and the toothpick. Okay, sliding in, sliding out. Okay, this way, yep. What we've got, probably some manuals. Yeah, manuals. Nah, we don't need that. Right. What I do like from TOZO is they give quite a few different ear tips. That's nice. 18 months warranty card. Yeah, brilliant. That must be the charging cable. Nope. Easier to say than do it. Come on. I think they should give some manual how to take the stuff out of the box. Okay, I'm gonna do it that way. There we go. USB-C. That's what I do like it. Charging cradle. Okay, it's pretty small. Pretty small. Yeah, cool. And the earphone itself. Okay. Look, pretty interesting. I'm really looking forward to test it. Right. Okay. Right. Okay, so that's, I would say, standard packaging. The cradle, the obviously earphones, few ear tips, and the charging cable. Right. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great day and bye for now.